Yo, it's your boy Justin here back with another video. Now, I should be posting this on another YouTube channel, but I don't care. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a creamy, spicy burger sauce. So, these are the ingredients that you will be needing. You'll be needing mayonnaise, sriracha sauce, and lime. So yeah, with that, let's get started. And you will need something to mix it with, and you will need a container with a lid, okay? Yeah. Guys, I'm not going to keep you waiting. Let's get started. Mom, is the mayonnaise open?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it now. Ow, it keeps hurting me. So we want to center them up. Gonna want to take the mayonnaise. Just put it in there. Then you're gonna want to take your sriracha sauce. Make sure you shake it. Now I got Tabasco, just regular sriracha sauce, but you can get whatever sriracha sauce you want. Squeeze it in there. I use a lot of sriracha sauce because my spice tolerance is pretty high. Some of my mom's and my dad, a little bit. And you want to squeeze that lime as hard as you can. It's kind of hard to squeeze it. Don't know why. And you're going to want to mix. Now the mayonnaise gives it the cream. The sriracha obviously gives it the spice because sriracha is spicy. And the lime gives it that sourness. Now I don't really like mayonnaise, but when it's mixed in with something like the sauce, then I'll eat it. And yes, who knows? If you want to use this recipe, go ahead.
Sriracha.
Sriracha. Sriracha. Sriracha. Sorry. Yes, I will be trying with burgers and fries. My mom is kind of multitasking right now. Making burgers and fries.
Justin, I think you put too much in there.
No, it's fine. What? Mayonnaise?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
More. You put too much. That's a lot of sriracha.
I'm sorry, I love my sriracha. Okay, I got it open the last 2 times. Okay. That was my mom. Putting in the mayonnaise. You gotta make sure you mix it all. Gotta mix it all in like that. Oh, that smells good. Oh, that smells good. I can't wait to. I made this last night. I'm just now making a YouTube video about it. Yeah, guys, that's how to make that sauce. There's no measurements needed, but if you're a pro chef, unlike me, Mom, do you need this other lime?
No.
Okay, well, you can have it. If you're a pro chef, unlike me, use measurements. But just in general, use measurements. Then if you want to mix it some more, just put the lid on, swirl it, and always put your sauce in the fridge.